like it. Feel this right here, man. It's a good beat.
Young Kango, motherfuckers wanna see the chain though. He ain't got no money, wangs though. He can make it, fine bro. Hey, check it, I'ma spit some shit, not neglect or respect it on the things that I've been stepping on affection. Girls want this affection from my erection, but they can't get it cause I'm not on the detection. Nope, and I'm not reflected in the mirror. I'm just a spirit who's walking around with no care. And I don't even care cause I walk from over there. I was bound to be something, why don't y'all care? I could be something for all of y'all out there. I could throw my fans something for out ya. I can even doubt ya, I won't even doubt ya. Living out here, man, but I'm living without ya. Later motherfucking at night, I be thinking all these rhymes all tight. I don't even know how to rap on the mic, but I'm spitting it alright, ain't I, Mike?
We just spit the best shit. That was Kango on the mic, y'all heard it. This is Big Ice, man, I'm about to rap it. Let's feel it, bring it back, bitch. Yo. Yo. Yo, one day I was blown up in a haze. Kango on the map, he was blowing haze. Big dog, yo, I just wrecked that shit. Kango, yeah, the nigga, he a best shit. Yo, we gonna feel it like the realest boys. Big bros, yeah, we bros, this shit's Royce. We a boss, man. We some players, homes. We roll up the chronic fucking endo. Yeah, I just said it, I said it. Y'all know we fucking heard it, we said it. We can roll it up, blaze it down. Y'all about to fucking hear me clown.
The Rams fucked up the rap right now. What the fuck? Oh no.
And we got new mics on the set.
We got new mics on the set. What's up? Mom, you gonna let me borrow that hoodie? Money.
We didn't have a splitter.
We have to go get a splitter Thursday at the music store, okay?
You guys got two different mics, though.
Yeah, but they're the same.
No.
One has a stand in and one doesn't.
No, I'm saying you got two different mics, so it's good.
I've got two different styles of mics, Calvin.
Right
Uh,
here, dude.
Dude,
That
you
one
see how
was, that
fucking
one was
G I am?
45 or 9,
You
50.
see how G I look?
Joe.
I want a picture
Even
of
in
that shit.
pink? Even in pink?
I want to fucking take a picture of that shit. You look good, just like.
Even in pink, fool. I was like,
Look.
this is so funny.
You want me to go get you the
I was
pink?
all rapping, I was like,
I got a pink tank top you can put on.
dude, what?
Yeah, I do.
I was trying to get bro in all pink, so I'd be rapping here like, what? But I'm like, Kango just come out in pink. Killed a mic, dude. What's up? I should be like, yo, breast cancer.
Are we still
Are you
recording?
good?
No way, we're still recording. Oh well, no, we can still record. Fuck it.
Well then, why don't you erase that cord and then redo it?
No, we're like just posting whatever.
Okay,
I
Joe.
don't know.
Well, honey, there's a stand in there, so when you're done, you can put it on the little stand.
Hello.
Where'd you put it at, Calvin? Here it is.
Okay.
See the little
Hello,
stand?
what's
you can sit
up?
right here up on your thing.
Yo, I like that shit.
Right
That's
in
real tight right there, bro. Hey, the volume is way clearer. You can hear your voice, hear that. You can even turn it over this way a little bit. Remember, we talk the mic has to be pointed straight on.
Let me see, bro, because I don't think you know how to really use PlayStation.
That's supposed that mic's supposed to take all the distortion out of everything, like when you're spitting your rap.
Turn the echo up just a tiny bit.
Here you go, baby. This one.
Sweet. We got two now, we just need the splitter, dude.
Yep.
Me and bro can rap at the same time, but I can pack in the same rhyme, but I ain't really stacking at the same time. When I'm still macking on the same grind, and my mom's chilling out here by me a new mic. I don't care cause it's still fried, and I don't care cause I ain't fried, well pink and hot night. And I still rock out like a white knight in my rights, and I don't care cause I don't care, I'll fight for gay rights, especially if they die. You know what the meaning, to stay right, and I slay light, and I don't care cause I stay right, and I stay white, and I stay flare, and I stay there, and I don't care cause I can't play here, and I can't make it like I make that. Wanna walk up, but I can't get. You can kick it, bake it, shake it, make it, take it anywhere. I don't even care when you're shaking over there. Rockin' up, bopping, but I'm stopping over here. Don't care, man, cause I'm rocking up in here. Walking, talking, anything stove. I don't care, man, cause I'm rocking like yo. You don't wanna know this spitting like flow? Anybody wanna fucking hear it, yo? I can rap better than all you know. I can rap better than all y'all. Anybody wanna hear my mic like oh? I can hear that shit like pipe pipe oh. Hit Piper, hit the suit on the tail new cipher. I've been spitting on this right line up from the white line up, and I'm spitting on the white line her. Got me eye line fold. I don't care, man, cause I'm eye popo. Get that shit in my popo, and I pop this shit in my capo. I don't care, man, cause I ride, bro. I be sitting, man, when I fly though. Got my shit on my syllable, and I ride no, and I kill yo. Feeling on the mic, chilling on the mic, when I'm feeling on the right. Don't care, man, cause I'm feeling on the right, and I'm feeling on the mic, and I'm feeling it right. Killing the sight when I'm killing it on sight. Don't care, man, cause I'm killing it alright. Don't care, man, cause I'm feeling the fight, when I'm feeling the fight, when I'm feeling the bite. Feeling the mic, and I'm feeling that night. Don't care, man, I wake up as a hero. Take this thing, and I'm checking zero. Piro, when the Piro, I got that shit on the peso. Make the payroll. Don't care, man, cause I play dough. Got that play dough when I pay dough. Don't care, cause I made it all on the cake dough. Just safe ho, and don't care if you wanna stay safe ho. I don't use no protection on the make dough. I don't care what I bake in the fake dough. It's coming to act break on the fake dough. Hey ho, what you want? Hey ho, what you got? I don't care what the fuck you want. Riding up like I know this stuff. I don't even care when I'm blowing up. Don't care, man, cause I'm showing up. Got this money and I'm blowing up. Got this things and I'm rolling up. Got this money when I'm blowing up and I'm knowing nuts. You're knowing us. King of a nice man, little fight man with a right hand. Don't care, got this bitch in my right hand. Fingering her with my two middle fingers. And singer with a binger. I got that shit like I'm a singer. No, I'm not. I'm a rapper. The stack ya. I'ma stack ya, uptack ya like a pit bull on his chain. Lock this shit and they know my name. Don't give fuck this Kango's fame. Don't give fuck this ring on thing. Don't give fuck to hear my shame.